Good afternoon and namaskar. Today we'll take a look at Narayana Hridayalaya Limited or Narayana Health Limited. One and the same. Narayana Health or Hridayalaya is in the hospitals and medical services sector. The current market capitalization is about 5,000 crores. The company management consists of Devi Prasad Shetty, who is the chairman and whole-time director, Emmanuel Rupert, managing director and group CEO, Viren Shetty, whole-time director and chief operating officer. Now there are totally 50 healthcare facilities. Of them, details are like this: 21 owned and operated hospitals with 5,294 beds, two managed hospitals with 498 beds, 7 heart centers with 371 beds, 19 primary healthcare centers with 10 beds, 1 hospital in Cayman Islands with 110 beds, totally 7,155 capacity beds, 6,283 operational beds, and average effective capital cost per operational bed is 3 million. Now, the number of employees is 16,762, of whom doctors are 3,638. The consolidated operating revenues are Indian rupees 777 crores in Q1. That reflects an increase of 19.2% year on year. The consolidated EBITDA is Indian rupees 108 crores, reflecting a year-on-year growth of 113.5%. EBITDA margin is 13.8%. So EBITDA growth is impressive. The consolidated net debt is 669 crores of rupees as on 30th June. Debt equity ratio is 0.62. Out of which debt worth rupees 52.8 million US dollars is foreign currency denominated. Now, the shareholding pattern is slightly not very encouraging for retail investors. Promoter group 63.9%, FIA is 10.6%. This is all quite good. DIS is 4.8%, but retail investors is 3.7% only. 3.7% is very low. That's one problem. Private equity investors are 13.1%, others are 3.3%. ESOP trust is 0.8%. Now let us take a look at the sales, etc. Net sales are, as we have seen, 777 crores compared to previous quarter 765 crores, and same quarter last year was 652 crores. Year on year growth is 19.17% and quarter on quarter growth is 1.59%. Now, profit before tax is 44 crores in Q1 latest, 44 latest, 43 previous quarter, and just 0.64 in the same quarter last year. So, compared to 0.64, now for 44 crores, it is a huge jump. Likewise, there is a small jump for quarter on quarter, 43 to 44. Now, tax has jumped from 3 crores to 13 crores. Therefore, net profit is 31 crores in the latest quarter. Previous quarter was 33.5 crores. But same quarter last year was minus 2.35 crores. So, from minus 2.35 crores to 31 crores, there is a huge jump. But with reference to previous quarter, there is a small decrease. A 7% decrease from 33.5 crores to 31 crores. Now, equity is 204 crores. Basic EPS is 1.49, slightly down from previous quarters 1.83. Now 1.49. Previous quarter 1.83, same quarter last year was minus 0.21. So, with reference to the last year same quarter, there is a huge jump. No doubt about it. From minus to 0.21 to 1.49, huge jump. With reference to previous quarter, there is a slight decrease, 1.83 to 1.49, slight decrease is there. Now, current market price is around 241. Price earning ratio is 40. Actually, it has come down, but still 40 is slightly higher. Face value is 10. Volume of transactions are 16,000 on NSE, not bad, but 1,000 only on BSE, reasonably bad. 52-week low was 181, 52-week high is 260. Now, if you look at the price over the last year, it has come down slightly. From 254 to 241, now it has come down slightly. Now, there has not been any growth in the last 1 year. So, therefore, will there be a growth in the current year? We don't know. But the company is growing. Company is establishing its presence in south except Tamil Nadu. That's what I find. Tamil Nadu and Andhra, it doesn't have much presence. Karnataka, very good presence, and its headquarters is in Karnataka. But west, north, east, northeast, everywhere, it is expanding very fast. So, growth is there. So, for a stable growth, one can opt for this. But again, the retail shareholding is very less. That one angle Narayana Hridayalaya will have to improve. Public participation should become a little more. But functionally, Narayana Hridayalaya is a healthy hospital group, very healthy hospital group. So in India, if we have to remember hospital groups, one is Apollo group and the other is a Narayana Hridayalaya. There are other groups also, but these two are shining well. Thank you for listening. Narayana Hridayalaya is a good investment, but don't expect very high price growth. It has not grown, but profitability has grown. We have seen that from minus to huge plus, it has grown. Still, the price has not grown because probably the market conditions is one reason, and the other is equity shareholders, retail shareholders is very less. So these are the points as far as Narayana Hridayalaya is concerned. I'll be back with you again with another good company. See, in this market, there are only sellers. Buyers are very few. Now, people who can choose well with a little low price earning ratios, I think when the upturn starts, they will benefit a lot. That is my personal opinion. It has happened like that only in the past. It will happen like that only in the future. This market is not going to let you down, especially if you are a long-term investor. Thank you for listening.